First things first, what exactly is a walking foot? Unlike traditional presser feet, the walking foot has feed dogs on the top that work in conjunction with the machine's feed dogs, creating even and consistent fabric movement. The magic of the walking foot shines when working with tricky fabrics like leather, vinyl, or multiple layers of fabric. Say goodbye to puckering, shifting, or uneven stitches. The walking foot ensures smooth and precise sewing every time. Quilters, listen up. The walking foot is a game-changer for quilting projects. Whether you're piecing together layers of fabric or quilting intricate designs, the walking foot keeps everything in place, resulting in beautifully flat and professional-looking quilts. But the benefits don't stop there. The walking foot is also ideal for matching patterns, sewing stripes or plaids, and attaching bindings with ease. It's a versatile tool that every sewing enthusiast should have in their arsenal. In conclusion, the walking foot sewing machine is a must-have for anyone serious about their sewing projects. From tackling challenging fabrics to achieving flawless results, this specialized foot is a game-changer. Ready to elevate your sewing game? The walking foot is here to lead the way. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.